Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers Khan Ajilaga main headlines. Joint Coordination Committee pra pen down strike global thaka opor guidelines issue krishi. NSA and IM Union Territory pra kidnapping case opor clarification issue krishi. NSA and ARPRA Government of India ke peace process to jaldi kuri dibole urge krishi. Meghalaya Riboite 13-year-old Maki bacha ke morai dia case se police pra accused ke aji arrest krishi. Nagaland laga sub government departments de October 14 tarik pra 16 tarik tak 3 din nimite pen down strike juntu ase kamte jabo holebi ko official kam na kurubo koikina propose korikina thaka opor IAS Inda Kralaga Joint Coordination Committee JCC Juntute Confederation of All Nagaland State Services Employees Association CAN SSEA Federation of Nagaland State Engineering Services Association FONSESA Nagaland In-Service Doctors Association NIDA Nagaland Secretariat Service Association NSSA or Nagaland Finance and Accounts Service Association NFNASA Thakhan pra guidelines issue krishi. JCC State Krishi ke electricity, pani supply, rasta repair, sanitation, healthcare or law enforcement nishna, emergency or essential services khanto exam kurubo kaishe, associations emergency under judi or dusrabi ahile to khan ki bi identify korikna exam kurubo kaikna janadishe. Government employees sob ke takhan naga kaam kura jagate strict attendance maintain korikna strike to peacefully law ensure kurble janadishe. Association भी public निमिते inconvenience न होबो कारणे बालप्रा instructions kan issue kurble direct krishi. दूसरा non-governmental agencies पर strike to oppose kra report opor clarify korikna JCC जनाशी की CANSSEA under sub service associations kan strike to observe kurbo koikna jananishi. Strike to Indian Administrative Service IASA Inda Kubo Nimite non-state civil service non-SCS officers aga liste NPSC Nadia Khan ki bhi dhala nimite lubule ase kote associations pra state government meritocracy hisab na korikina backdoor officers ke country laga sobse dangor service te gusabole dia accuse krishi. Charta Manuke kidnap kra case se police pra charjun ke arrest kra laga report opor NSA and IM Union Territory Caretaker CAO office pra clarify korishe ki charta te pra duita to takhat naga regional staff ase kote dusra duita to civilians ase koikna janadishe. Statement a Union Territory Secretary Solomon Sumi clarify korishe ki Union Territory UT laga duita regional staff to Kavito Yapto Tatar or Sol Chopi Razwa Peyu Ase Holebi Kivipu Zimo or Bento Shoheto civilians Ase Kwaikina Janadeshe. Union Territory Secretary State Krishiki to Duita Regional Staff ke CAO Union Territory Caretaker Laga supervision under assigned Kwikna Rakishi Kwaishi Holebi unfortunately kidnapping ituto caretaker CAO UT Aro Authority Pra Iku najanikina krualaga ase koikina janadishi. Union Territory Secretary State Krishi ke abduction to taijun nijor laga personal interest nimite krualaga ase or Union Territory takhan naga action ituto GP Arven naga nam biakura or power misuse kra hisabte not loishi koishe. Secretary jinashi ki duita NSN members laga report to Ministry of Kilo Affairs logote trial nimite potaishi koishe or takhan hi yezabo laga aza hisabte necessary action lobo koikna janadishi. NSA and Reformation pra Government of India ke peace process to jaldi korikina Indo-Naga political issue opor ekdam thick resolution nimite kaam korikina jabole appeal krishi. Resolution to 10th Joint Council meeting te adopt krishi koishe. Iman sal pra dialogue kotha loikina jato acknowledge korikina group jinashi ki itya to lasting peace anibo karne efforts kan meaningful outcomes se dhalibole time ahishe koikna janadishi. Meeting te Naga youths laga future to bachai kina itya thaka generation nimite stability ensure kurbo itu opor stress kurishi koishe council janaishi ki Naga political struggle to manu laga right nimite ekta hossa fight ase koishe juntu to misunderstand nahoile misuse na kurble lage koikna janadishi. Council pra Forum for Naga Reconciliation FNR Tribal Hohos aro the Tirab Changlang and Longding People's Forum TCLPFK Unity aro Dialogue Nimite efforts dikina jai thaka opor khushi janai dikina sob Naga political groups or civil society organizations ke ekta collective resolution nimite FNR laga initiative to support kurble jnadishi. NSCN RB Tekhan Naga senior members ke security forces pra dio malite rukhaikina arrest kura opor jinaishe ki enika actions pra dialogue choli thaka laga process effect hoi koishe ekta bal solution opor Tekhan Naga commitment jinai dikina NSCN R pra sob stakeholders ke urgency hisab te kaam kurikna jamala to reject kurikna government of India logote respect and justice rakhikina partnership banabole urge krishi. Meghalaya laga Rebor police pra October 9 tarik din ekta asurid incident kote 13-year-old Mikey bacha ke morai dikina tai laga dead body Maulas Nai police outpost under jungle te pa laga case te suspect ke arrest kurishi koishi koikina identify kurishi tai to Maulas Nai post office Umayam police station under Busti thaka laga resident ase koishi kun ke aji ekdom pujur fale arrest kurishi koikina junadishi. Superintendent of Police Riboy Vivekanand Rathore confirmed Kurishi ki Kharsati pra murder to tai Kurishi koikna manishi koishi SP Junaishi ki legal procedures kan currently loikna jaise kote accused police custody te ase koikna state Kurishi tai kile murder Kurishi ito toita bhi jane bole baki ase koikna SP pra Junaishi ekbar process kan shuru ha pichte sob jane bole paribo ito nimite itya karne investigation khatam noha tak eku statement nadibo koikna SP Rathore pra state Krishi. International news say Israel or Hamas majute 2 saal opor war hoikina peace plan naga first phase te Gaza ceasefire aha pichte Palestinians war pra displace hoa khan takhan naga ghorte wapas ja sabole paishi koikna United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs OCHA Prajnadishi. The Israeli takhan naga military withdraw korble ase kote Hamas 72 hours bitor Israeli hostages kan charibole ase. United Nations Junaishi ke takhan Gaza te thaka manu khan nimite humanitarian aid kiman joldi pare ready kurikina pothabole kuri ase koishe kile mane aid ituto civilians lagi thaka ke Kinika Holebi Punchibule Lagi Koikina State Krishi. United Nations spokesperson Stefan Dujarric Junaishi Kitakan Israeli authorities logote itu aid kan Kinika Nishna aru kuntu rastapra gusibole dibo itu opor kotha korikina jai se koishe United Nations Junaishi ki Gaza ki mojot kurbo dimite 170,000 metric tons aid or supplies line te deliver kurble rukhikina jai se koikina state Krishi.